Here are the ChrisDowa Blackout Curtains. Let's get them open. Looks like we've got some nice metal grommets here, and those have a diameter of 1.5 inches. Now I got mine in gray in 42 width by 63 length. That means I got 2 panels, each of width is 42 inches by 63 inches, for a total of 84 inches across. Now these are made of a silky microfiber that feels really soft, and they are thermally insulated, have noise reducing capabilities, and you can wash them if they ever get dirty. Now with these curtains, the darker the color you get, the more it's going to block out sunlight. But they do claim to block out 98% of UV rays. So let me show you how to hang them up, and we'll give them a little test on how well they block out the sunlight. So you want to have your grommets laying out flat like this, and then here's my curtain rod. Starting at the end here, I'm going to go in from the outside here. I put my rod through that grommet, and then go through the back side of the next grommet. That creates nice little folds like this, and we're just going to continue that pattern through the front, and then through the back, through the front, and then through the back. And then our curtain will be folded multiple times like this. Now once we do that for both of the curtains that we've got here, then we can move on to see how well they actually block the light. So I've put one curtain up so far, and this is how it looks, the difference in how much light the two sides are putting through. So far so good, but let's get the other one up as well. And now I've got both of them up, and it looks like it's doing a great job to me so far. And here's a look at the same thing, but with all of my lights off. So you can see it's doing a good job making sure that the sunlight doesn't come through. So if you want some blackout curtains at a really good value, I'd say yes to these ones.